with another killer hairstyle for you type 4 naturals. Today I will be using one pack of Outrage's Expression Springy Afro Twist in the color 1B, and I got this in 24 inches. This hair only cost me $9.99, you guys. Can you guys believe it? I'm only using one pack and it's like $9.99. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. You guys will see some product in my hair because I went ahead and moisturized it. And I believe I have low porosity hair. I don't know what porosity hair I have, but I promise you it takes a lot for product to actually like get into my hair strand. Anyhow, I'm using the crochet method, so I'm leaving the perimeter of my hair out. So I will be doing a middle part. You guys, this hairstyle is going to be so freaking cute, and it's going to blend in so well with my natural hair. You guys are going to see. So I am doing a middle part like I said, so I am just sectioning some hair out from the middle of my head. And it does not have to be perfect. As you guys can see, I have not made one straight part whatsoever. That's another thing I love about this style. For you guys that are non-braiders, okay, like myself, and for those of you that do not like creating like straight parts, this hairstyle is going to be super cute because it could be as unneat, and however it looks underneath honestly does not matter whatsoever. And you will see the way my braids look, like it looked like a 5-year-old braid in my hair, okay? Because yeah, I can't braid that well whatsoever. So yeah, I was like definitely doing this hairstyle for sure. And as you guys can see, literally I did tangle up my hair the night before, and I promise you my hair was so freaking tangled. And I was just like, are you serious? It's like, you know, if you have type 4 hair, it tangles up, especially 4C hair, it tangles up instantly. So I had to go in and like detangle my hair once again. But yes, I am just braiding my hair all the way back. It's not pretty, it's not in no type of part or anything like that. No one's gonna see underneath the crochet hair, okay? So you can do it however. So as you guys can see, hair was just tangled and my face was like, really though? Okay, this part right here, if you got kinky hair, you know how it feels, that's why I got muscles. I guarantee you, I don't do no like upper body strength workout or anything, but I got muscles because I have to be tackling this hair. Like the struggle though, like it be a struggle sometimes, right? This is the last braid. I think I went ahead and put in just 5 braids going back. Not cute, just however, honestly. So I went ahead and I made that into one braid, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a needle, and I'm just going to pin my hair up. So I'm using some Jamaican black castor oil that's what's in that bottle right there, and I'm just going to make sure my scalp is moisturized. I'm still trying to grow my edges back, you guys. Don't come for me, all right? So the fun part, this hair was so freaking pretty. Like I had to get it up close for you guys to show you guys like the texture. Oh my gosh, like I fell in love, okay? And it comes in 3 little sections. Okay, and the little curlies at the ends are so freaking cute. And you guys see the definition? Like, I was surprised I've never even seen this hair. So I was just goofing around my hair. The bang gang, hey. Whoa, not the bang gang. What? The bang gang? So I went ahead and I unfortunately had to take out all those cute little curls because as you guys can see, I have 4C hair, baby, and my hair do not have any definition like whatsoever. So in order for this style to blend with my hair beautifully, I took out majority of all of the definition. So I'm going in, of course, with my crochet needle since this is a crochet hairstyle. So I will show you guys this throughout the video a few times. So right now I am doing I believe this is called the crochet indivisible method. So basically you split the hair into 2. just so you don't see that knot there and it looks a lot more natural. You guys see that? You guys see that? All right, so this is the third twist I put into my head. And for this one right here, I will not be doing anything special. I'll be pulling both strands, both sides of the hair into the knot. You guys will see, like, am I making sense? Like, let me know. Does that make sense? You guys hear like my voiceover, but then you guys can actually see with your own two eyes, because yo, I am so bad at like explaining things. But I couldn't believe, like, I was like, that's only 3 and it's looking really full back there. Okay, so to help me out, I went ahead and I started to twist it because the hair is pretty thick. Each twist is really, really thick, okay? So in order for the hair to actually fit on the hook, I twisted it up all together. You guys are gonna see right now what not to do, okay? Uh-oh. I literally broke my freaking crochet needle. Like, luckily I had another one at home, so I didn't have to go get one. But I'm gonna show you guys. Because my hair is thick in the middle, and the hair that I'm pulling through is very, very thick. If it gets too tough to pull through, don't keep pulling. Just pull the hair through, like I did right there, okay? So again, this method right here is just a regular crochet method. I'm pulling both ends inside and I'm just tightening it. I didn't double knot it or anything like that. This was one pack. I wanted to show you guys, like, okay, baby, you can't even see, you can't see nothing underneath. You can't see the crusty braids that I got under. You can't see anything, honey, okay? Like, okay, look at me though. One pack, one little section, you know? Okay, so I just want to show you guys, this hair is pre-sectioned, and each twist is its own section. All you have to do is pull it apart. It's super easy. This is like the easiest, like most affordable, like I do mostly affordable and easy hairstyles anyways, so this definitely falls in that category. So I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to do the perimeter of my hair. I'm doing that in invisible crochet method. So I'm just splitting that hair in half. I'm putting one half through, and I'm just going to tighten it to make sure that it does not go anywhere, honey. So there you go. Just showing you guys what that looks like. Literally, you guys will see once my hair is done how natural it looked. Even my own mom, she had came home from work, right? She was like, is that all you? And I was like, no, you know what I'm saying? Even my sisters, they're like, is that all you? And I was like, no. But yeah, this hair is gonna blend. It's gonna blend so good. I'm just showing you guys. I'm gonna go and fill in as I go. When you guys put the crochet in your hair, I'm not using any type of method or any type of spacing. I'm spacing really, really large because the hair is really big and it's fluffy and it's going to cover up any spaces. So make sure you guys do not put the hair too close, okay? You would rather put the hair very far apart and go in at the end and fill in any section that looks like it has big gaps. So this is 2 packs right here, like, baby, okay? I still have one whole little section. So around the perimeter of my hair, I did separate the twist into 2 because I didn't want the front of my hair to be too bulky, and I also wanted to leave enough hair just in case I need to fill in different sections, okay? So of course around the perimeter, I'm doing that indivisible crochet method. I hope that's the name. I believe it is. I believe it is. If not, just like let me know in the comments down below. Let everybody know. This was super quick. Like, even with like recording the video, it took me a little bit over an hour. Like, I was so freaking surprised. So this is majority of all of it done. And as you guys see, I'm just filling around. I believe I have like one to three twists left. So I'm just gonna go in off camera and fill it in where I see that it needs to be filled in. So I'm just showing you guys the back. I didn't leave any hair out in the back of my head. You guys can if you want to. So I used one twist and I divided it into 4 sections. And I just want the back to be filled in a little bit, just so when I do put my hair up, you don't see most of the braid. Okay, you may see some, but you're not gonna see most of it, okay? So yeah, I'm just showing you guys that real quick. Boom, bada bang. We are done with the back, yo. Those BDBs though, that kitchen though, like, whoa. But yeah, it looks really, really good. And I was just so surprised, like, dang, big hair though, big hair though. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the leave out and blend it in. As you guys see, it's blending in beautifully. And that was it, like super easy. So I'm gonna jump back in with you guys and tell you guys a little bit how I feel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I literally enjoyed this so much. This is so freaking cute. If you have natural hair, this hair is a must. Literally, it is like all that and some. It's voluminous, it got a lot of body, it got a lot of volume, it got a lot of attitude. This hair right here, oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. If I could marry this hair, literally I would. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed my little hairdo. This is the Ultra Expression Springy Afro Twist, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and boo, if you're not subscribed, you see this? If you're not subscribed, you're missing out because you already know there's more to come with me, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Mwah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.